Now let me explain how to purchase AI credits for your device. It's important to note that you cannot buy credits directly on your phone, as you can see here. As you can see here, you cannot directly purchase credits on your phone or device. This process must be done through the official store. But now, let's move to how you might want to access and utilize these features effectively. You may want to explore and utilize various AI features, but interestingly, you currently lack the necessary credits to access them. When you register your account, as you can see here, the system personally grants you several credits for initial access and exploration. For trial access to AI features, you can explore various AI video generation tools, as you can see here, to create engaging content effectively. There are voiceovers and texts available, but if you have a subscription, you will receive a larger amount of credits each month, allowing you to explore even more features and tools effectively. The total amount of credits allows you to access any feature, such as text generation, as you can see here for your projects. Here, you will have either 300 or 500 credits, and you can do anything you want with these credits. With a subscription, you'll receive 300 credits each month, ensuring stability and access to features, as you can see here. But if your credits run out and you don't have a subscription, and you wouldn't want to miss out on accessing those useful features, be careful. You can simply purchase this subscription, but if you'd like to buy those credits, the process of buying credits is straightforward. Once again, I emphasize that purchasing credits is done through the official website, not directly via your phone, as you can see in the web version. It is done on a PC after making the purchase. Once you've completed that step, you can say that you now have access to various features, like CapCut, which enhance your editing experience significantly. Yes, if you want to buy credits, you should log in on your PC and purchase them directly from the official website, as you can see here. Simply go to Google and type "Buy credits for PC." Follow the prompts to purchase credits easily and enhance your experience, as you can see. First, you need to log in on your PC using the same account you use on your phone. This step is crucial for accessing all the features effectively, as you can see. You purchase credits on that account, and it simply syncs your account seamlessly, allowing you to enjoy all features effortlessly. Thank you for watching, wishing everyone good luck and goodbye.